Welcome to King's Care Universal School situated in Lugbe, Abuja, as we celebrate a decade of excellence in education. From our humble beginnings to a thriving institution, join us on a journey through the school's remarkable history.
My name is Estate Sobio Amvalua, Dr. Victor M. Ayeye. I'm the chairman, CEO of this great citadel of learning, King's Care Universal School, founded precisely in 2014. The journey to the starting of this school could be traced back to the crèche, King's Care Crèche, which was conceived by my wife, who has been in the educational sector even before we got married. So the crèche was the foundation, and one of the reasons that she's an educationist and she has a lot of love for little children. So the crèche was conceived, and if you get to know about my profile, I was in the classroom for over a decade as classroom teacher. So she started the crèche, and the crèche, we were set because we believed that anything we want to do should be the best. So it was named King's Care Crèche because we want to give all the children that come to that school King's Care touch. What I mean by King's Care touch is the care that could only be given to kings and queens.
King's Care Universal School, a journey of excellence and dedication. For 10 years, this institution has been shaping young minds and inspiring greatness.
My name is Mrs. Nkiro Omelu. I am Mr. Omelu's mommy, and he has been in this school for over 9 years. Brought to Mr. here when he was just a year old. And from that time till now, I can testify, or we as a family can testify that there's been great improvement. Lisa has been doing so well. He's been focused, well-disciplined, good morals, good behavior, well-behaved. There are lots of people who look at him, and because of his behavior and his development, both academically and morally, many people have come to this school.
Tamilore Additional, who is my first son, happens to be one of the pioneer scholars in King's Care. Has been with King's Care from crèche and is among the graduates. His experience so far has been amazing, simply put, because over the years I've watched him grow. The growth and development has been really encouraging, and without mincing words, I would confess that the school has really impact on him, academically, socially, discipline-wise. I've watched the trajectory over the years, and like I said earlier, it's been really amazing.
In 2014, King's Care Universal School opened its doors to its first students, offering a nurturing environment for early learning.
We started the crèche in 2014, and by 2015, we have finished building the primary school. And when we finished building the primary school, then we named it King's Care Universal School. And then we started, all the classes were enrolled, and then by the grace of God, because of the way we started the crèche, at first resumption, we had over 150 children that resumed in the primary session, even on day one of resumption, which is unprecedented. Number one, because of the feedback that people who are in the crèche are giving. Number two, the goodwill we have garnered in the environment over the years. And number three, the standard we have set.
As the school grew, so did its vision. New campuses were built and the curriculum expanded to include primary and secondary education.
I'm one of the pioneer staff of this great citadel of learning. Like I said earlier, like I always tell people, we started as a small school, as crèche, and from crèche, we metamorphosed into primary school. And from primary school, we are where we are now. We have our college, one of the best college so far in Lugbe environs.
Today, King's Care Universal School boasts a thriving college campus, offering a range of subjects and extracurricular activities.
One of the amazing things that I like about the school is the fact that you have limited number of scholars in each class, which gives an opportunity for the children to be well tutored.
Train teachers, because we ensure that training of our teachers is a priority. We have invested huge sum of money in training teachers to ensure that they are best. And that's why I stand to be corrected. In this environment, in this location, we stand tall above others. And that's why we lead, others follow.
It's a very great opportunity to be impacted upon. Being here has really benefited me. You know, we as a school believe in capacity building, because like our director will always say that you cannot give what you don't have.
An ideal 21st century school should have a conducive environment, professional educators, tailored curriculum that can help a child compete both locally and internationally. And King's Care Universal School happened to be such a school.
The constant training and retraining of teachers has really helped me to be the best that I can be as a teacher.
My working experience has been a wonderful one because the school has really brought out the best in me.
Our dedicated teachers have been instrumental in shaping the minds of our scholars.
Tamilore, personally, Tomini, all of them, we've been beneficiaries of the amount of work that the proprietors, the teachers are put into the school. And I will say again that they should keep up with the good work. Some of us like what they're doing. They should not relent. And I pray that the Almighty God will continue to strengthen them and grant them all the ability that they need to take the school to even a greater height.
Over the years, the school have grown exponentially with new facilities and infrastructure. State-of-the-art classrooms, libraries, and laboratories have been added, providing scholars with a conducive learning environment.
King's Care has all it takes to produce the best and a complete student. Ranging from science facilities, we have well-equipped laboratory, physics laboratory, chemistry lab, biology lab. We have standard library. And we have our school buses. They are 21st century school buses.
King's Care Universal School is a school where learning is pragmatic.
In King's Care Universal School, learning is simplified to bring out the best in your world.
Today, the school community comes together to celebrate a decade of excellence, a decade of inspiring young minds and shaping the future.
I would like to tell other people that King's Care is really a place to be.
If you love your children, King's Care is the place to bring them. We have space from crèche to college.
So why won't you bring your child or your children to King's Care Universal School? Because King's Care Universal School is every parent's dream school to bring in their children.
That if there's anything anyone can give to their children, is to enroll them at King's Care Universal School. Because that's where you can get the best foundation, primary, early years, primary and secondary for now. And by the grace of God, in no distant time, we can be hearing about King's Care University. And that's where we're going. We're working towards it. I want to tell you that if we are doing this at 10, by 20, we'll be looking at King's Care University. Every plan is geared towards that. And I know with God.
Congratulations, King's Care Universal School, on your 10-year anniversary. May your legacy continue to inspire and shape the future. King's Care Universal School, a school with a difference.